Hello and welcome to our second part of the introduction of the new POPP Home Smart Camera Gateway. Now we want to show you how to make very simple scenes for security applications. For that I want to add a very nice device from AEOTEC from our series selection line. And you all probably have seen the new Wallmote, which is available since almost 1 year. And this is a really nice device to switch lights on and off, to change the status of your home. So it's like a remote control, and we want to add this product to our POPP Home now. So we're gonna go on new device. We're gonna pick AEOTEC, which is actually the first in the list, and then we're gonna look for our product we have on our hand here. Here we have this product. The gateway makes the sound that we are inside of the gateway, and now we press the action button once, and we have heard actually the sound, which is the confirmation device will be connected. The interview could take some time, and this sound confirms that this device is added now, and we will call this the native device Wallmote. So that was a simple setup, and now we have the Wallmote here, which is shown with this remote control button, and if I press button 1 or button 2, it will show me this scene here in my POPP Home. Yeah, so now it is actually updated, the interview is complete, and the button will show me exactly what I pressed on this device. So the POPP Home has different status functionalities. So we have here home, away, and sleep. And these are actually like different global status possibilities for the POPP Home. So it's like a variable. And when I'm at home, of course, some scenes will be active which are not active when I'm not at home. To give you a quick example, I will create a security scene. I will name this device just security, and I will show you how this works. First, I pick the condition. So I want when there's motion, it's on. I want that I will get a push message, and the steering in the camera will turn on. So I will pick when, just when I'm away. Then I want to have the siren turn on, and I can also get an email or something else, or type down, or like write a video, but I will leave it like that. So update this app, and so that means when my status switch to away, the security scene will run. So we will test it now. So motion worked. My plug turned on because I'm in the home mode, and I have set in the scene that this only happens when I'm at home. And now we're gonna switch our status to away. Check out what will happen now. So there is the alarm on our camera, and I got an email if I want to, and so I can set up very simple security scenes with this device to use this home. Yeah, so but there are always users which don't like to have their app open when they leave the home or when they come home. So we can actually create another scene to switch the status of our camera. We will call this scene home, and we will pick our actually scene Wallmote. Now we have to pick the scene number, so I will pick 4. When? Okay, this can be always, because I can press this button all the time. Then I pick the gateway, and then it should switch to home. So that means button 4 means home, I'm coming home. Then I can update this, and now I create another scene. I call this away, and pick my scene Wallmote, pick button 3 for example, when, this is always active, and my gateway will turn into away. I update this, and now I have created 2 scenes, and I can change this status in the app by these 2 buttons. Let's make a test. So button 4 will switch my mode into home, and I can see that this is home now. Button 3 will switch my mode into away. So let's say I leave my home, I've switched it to away. That means the security scene will start if there is any motion, and then when I come home, I want to turn off my alarm system so nothing happens when I enter the home or when I enter the room with the motion sensor. So once this is done, I press button 4, and switch to home, and when I move the motion sensor now, the plug will turn on. There is no alarm, it's just the plug turning on, so now my security system is basically disarmed. That's a very simple and easy solution to use the POPP Home as a small and smart camera gateway as a security application.